This morning, we woke up to the news that one of the accused in the Delhi gang rape, Ram Singh, was found dead inside his jail cell in Tihar. Tonight, many unanswered questions remain. Was this really a suicide, or is there more to this story than meets the eye? What does this death say about the state of our prisons, and what impact, if any, will this have on the rape trial? That's going to be our big debate tonight. Well, more than 12 hours after he was found dead, hanging from a grill in his cell in Tihar jail, many questions remain on just how gang rape accused Ram Singh died. The Home Minister said today it was a grave lapse by prison authorities, saying that while a preliminary probe shows he killed himself, only an inquiry can establish what really happened. Singh's lawyers and family, however, say he was murdered. Now the other accused have told the trial court, shoot us, but don't keep us in Tihar.
Was it suicide or was he murdered? No clear answers at Delhi's Tihar jail, even hours after Ram Singh, the main accused in the Delhi gang rape case, was found dead, hanging inside a high-security cell in Tihar's jail number 3. Jail authorities have ordered a magisterial probe.
तो सब इंक्वायरी में सब आ जाएगा, डिटेल आ जाएगा, तभी बताएंगे.
Sources here have told us that the body of Ram Singh was first discovered by police officials at about 5:30 am in the morning when they were on their morning rounds. Sources have also indicated to us that Ram Singh was sharing his cell with 3 other inmates who they say were asleep when the body was actually discovered. Ram Singh perhaps used his own shirt and the mat on which he used to sleep to prepare a rope which he used to hang himself.
The alleged suicide has raised more questions than answers. Ram Singh was given extra security since it was believed other inmates could attack him. How did those guards not see anything? He was also on a suicide watch. How was he being monitored? There were 3 others in Ram Singh's cell. How come they didn't see anything or even raise an alarm? Ram Singh was 5'7". How did he manage to attach the rope to a grill that was at least 8 to 10 feet high? But Tihar jail officials claim Ram Singh used a plastic bucket to reach the grill. Suicide or murder, there is no denying the fact that there were serious lapses in security.
I agree with you. It is a must be major lapse, but the inquiry is being done.
Ram Singh's father and lawyer are certain it's not suicide.
राम सिंह और खुद फांसी खा के नहीं मर सकता राम सिंह.
आप लोग तिहाड़ जेल
क्यों राम सिंह ने ये बोल दी कि साहब मैंने कसूर करा है, और मैंने भी बोल दी, मैं भी बोल दी, गांव में बोल दी कि राम सिंह ने कसूर करा, राम सिंह को फांसी दे दो. मैं मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ, फांसी दे दो.
The other accused too feel Ram Singh was murdered and are now worried about their own security.
लेकिन वो शिकायत कर रहा था कि हमें जेल ऑफिशियल्स टॉर्चर कर रहे हैं, हरासमेंट कर रहे हैं. तो लेकिन हम लोग इस बात को ये समझते हैं कि एक्यूज है, बाहर आने की वजह से ऐसा कह रहा है. जेल में परेशानी तो है, जेल में दुखी तो है ही व्यक्ति, लेकिन मैं इतना नहीं समझ रहा था कि वो इस बात को इंडिकेशन दे रहा था कि उसकी हत्या हो जाएगी.
Tihar sent a fax to the court today informing them about the death, but the court has asked for a formal report from jail authorities on Tuesday, also seeking details of the security arrangements that had been in place for all the gang rape accused. Lots of unanswered questions still surrounding this mysterious death, but at the moment, all fingers are pointing towards Tihar jail authorities who failed to provide sufficient security for an accused who was facing threats inside the jail. Bureau Report, NDTV.